YouTube, where is my Royalty 711 hard brush, man? Where is it? It's been delayed for the past, I want to say 3 days, man. What's today? What is today? Today is the 28th. 4 days. 4 days. 4 days. Because I ordered it last week. It was supposed to be here on the 24th, but the post office is saying that it's delayed. So we're going to go up to the post office. We're going to get to the bottom of this. It's me and my little mama Tori back there. Let me see if I can get the camera on it. It's me and little mama. So we're going to ride up here. We're gonna thug out on these dudes and these women at the dang on post office and get my brush. Because I need my Royalty. You know what I'm saying? I just washed, unwrapped from the wash. It ain't looking too good like I thought it would. But hey. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get the good and the bad, you feel me? So, hey, buckle your seatbelts. And let's get over here to this post office and get this brush. Let's go! We made it to the post office, so we're gonna go in here and see if they got my brush. So let's get to it. All right, come on, fat mamas, come on. It's a little bit chilly out here. Should have brought your coat. A little bit chilly. Better have my brush up in here. I know that. Hopefully it ain't packed. Let's see. All right, YouTube, so we back in the car. They wouldn't let me film in there. The lady was like, what are you doing? I was like, well, I'm trying to do this vlog. She's like, no, we can't do any filming. And I was like, but what if I say the little slogan? You know how like you call the places and they say this call will be recorded for something. And she was like, no. I was like, all right then, whatever. So I got my package. We're not gonna open it right now. We about to go get a car wash real quick. So I'm gonna just take y'all on a little journey with me today, man. I'm going on to getting a car wash. I'm trying to find me some, thinking about getting some Vans. I don't know just yet, but I don't know. We're gonna definitely go do the car wash. We might go home after that. I don't know just yet, but stay tuned. right, YouTube, so we made it back to the house. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown on what I did. Basically, I went to DD's. If you guys don't know what DD's is, it's kind of like a TJ Maxx type of store. I picked up some floor mats for my car. Also picked up some little air fresheners that goes into the vent. Picked up 2 shirts, you know what I'm saying, a couple little collared shirts. And then we went to Panda. Went to Panda, man. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna unbox this right now because I don't want to do it inside the house. So we're gonna unbox this and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little thing. I don't know. We're gonna see what this is about. It's that blue hard brush. Y'all know. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. I love hard brushes. I love them. But yeah, we're gonna open this thing up. We're gonna see what's up. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can already tell. Off just doing this right here. Yeah. Yeah, this bad boy is hard. Yeah, I can't use this right now. Shout out to Brush King. Finally dropping the hard brush. And it's a beast. I can already tell, man. Like, even looking at this, it looks just like the 8159. I want to say the Taiwan. Like, it gives me that feel. When I hold it, I instantly think about that brush. And this brush is hard. I can already tell. Don't need to even put it on my head because I know it's hard. I know hard brushes because I'm a hard brush type of dude. You feel me? Well, we're going to wrap up this vlog. Y'all chill with Wavy Crockett today. Y'all already know. Like, comment, subscribe. Part 2 of the Jeezy WTBD taking over the velocity cuts. That's coming soon, man. Y'all already know. Like, subscribe. I'm going to go in with this in about a week or 2. Y'all already know, man. Wavy Crockett signing out.